Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix Photoshop layer missing and how you can reset your Photoshop back to a default setting. So as you can see, this particular file here is PSD file, but unfortunately we could not find out some of the layers that make up this particular design right here. You can see the property and adjustment and the property right here. So how do you fix this particular problem and restore your Photoshop back to the default setting? In most cases, this happens when you mistakenly press on no key on your PC, and as a result of that, Photoshop might react in a different way. So let me show you on how you fix this particular problem and restore your Photoshop back to a default setting. So for that, what you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here, click on Window, then go ahead and navigate to Workspace. And from here, go ahead and click on Reset Essential. So once you click on Reset Essential, it automatically redirects you back to the right Photoshop workspace, just like what you see right here. Then you can see all layers here has been fully presented. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.